Do you know about Indian rupee symbol? The Indian rupee symbol, which we proudly use today, was officially adopted in July 2010. It was designed by Udaya Kumar Tharmalingam, a professor from IIT Guwahati. The design is unique because it blends both Indian tradition and international identity. It takes the Devanagari letter R and the Roman capital letter R. The two parallel horizontal lines represent the Indian tricolour and also stand for the nation's economic stability. With this, the Indian rupee joined the elite group of world currencies like the dollar, euro, pound, and yen, which have their own global symbols. Truly, the rupee symbol gave India's currency a global recognition it deserved.